Meizu Pro 5 release delay until November due to factory flood. Meizu's recently unveiled flagship smartphone, the Pro 5, was scheduled to go on sale starting Monday. The Chinese company, however, has announced that the availability of the handset has been delayed until November. GizChina via Mobile Dad reports that the delay has been caused due to a flood at the company's factory in Guangdong, caused by a storm in the region. The company representatives detailed that the factory affected by the floods was used to manufacture unibody chassis of the Meizu Pro 5 smartphone. The company as of now has not confirmed whether any other production line of its smartphones has been affected by the flood. To recall, Meizu launched the Pro 5 last month at an event in Beijing, China. It will be available in two variants: 3GB of LPDDR4 RAM with 32GB storage, priced at 2,799 China yuan, approximately Rs. 29,000, and 4GB of LPDDR4 RAM with 64GB of storage, priced at 3,099 China yuan, approximately Rs. 30 to 100. The company started taking reservation for the smartphone soon after the launch and had promised to ship it on October 12 in China. It will be available in grey, silver, silver black, and golden colors. Meizu had confirmed its plan to bring the Pro 5 to India as early as the end of this year, but added certification and other issues may delay it till early next year. The Pro 5 features an all-metal body and, much like some previously launched Meizu handsets, comes with a physical home button that doubles as a fingerprint scanner. The handset features a 5.7-inch 1080x1920 pixels Super AMOLED display with Corning Gorilla Glass 3 for protection and 2.5D glass. The display sports a pixel density of 387 ppi. Under the hood, the Pro 5 is backed by a Samsung Exynos 7420 octa-core processor, quad-core 2.1 GHz Cortex-A57 Plus quad-core 1.5 GHz Cortex-A53 coupled with Mali T760MP8 GPU. The built-in storage can be expanded via microSD card, which can be placed instead of the second SIM. Running Flame 5 based on Android 5.1 Lollipop, the smartphone supports dual nano SIM cards and also supports 4G LTE on both the cards. The Pro 5 supports LTE Cat 6 standard, offering download speeds of up to 300 Mbps in the TD-LTE 4G frequency band. The Pro 5 smartphone sports a 21.16 megapixel rear camera with a Sony IMX230 CMOS sensor, f/2.2 aperture, and dual-tone flash. The rear camera comes with blue glass filter and features burst mode, panorama, and packs both phase detection and autofocus focusing and laser focusing. There is a 5-megapixel front-facing camera also on board, with an f/2.0 aperture. The handset is backed by 3050 mAh battery and features Charge 2.0 technology that is claimed to offer up to 65% charge in just 30 minutes. Another highlight of the Meizu Pro 5 is it comes packed with USB Type-C port. It measures 156.7 x 78 x 7.5 mm and weighs 168 grams.